All right, so we've tried the alcoholic version of a whiskey drink called the Ass of Myself, but I call the non-alcoholic version of this cocktail Molly's Mocktail. So it's the exact same drink. You got the spicy turmeric syrup, you know, the cider or fire cider, the ginger glycerite. We got the apple, the lime, all that stuff. The only thing we're swapping out is the whiskey for a Tulsi tea, which we used in the other mocktail. That, well, I happen to have some left over. But the little special thing that you can do with this is a egg white foam garnish, which is why I'm juggling eggs. Only need one of them though. So I'm gonna cut this. So I wanna show you guys how to separate the egg white first. And that's kind of pivotal for this. So you're gonna wanna get a crack in the middle, however you can. And then what you're doing is you're holding the egg over your shaker and getting this cut in half, and then you're going back and forth with that yolk, because you only want the egg white. We don't want the yolk. So now we discard that, and so we just have the egg white in there, raw egg white. Don't be alarmed, because the citrus that's in this lemon that I'm about to juice in is going to go ahead and cook that egg white, the citrus in it, as it's also helping emulsify what I'm about to do next, which is add a little sugar. And so we're gonna add the spicy turmeric here. And I think that just about a ½ ounce to 3/4 ounce is all I'm gonna need. But the combination, so this is the sort of thing that you would see in an old school whiskey sour, actually, is the sort of egg white foam topping here. But we're gonna do it for a mocktail. But you don't need ice for this. We're gonna do what's called a dry shake. Most shakers come with this ordinary little strainer here, but what you may or may not know is that this spring comes off. Normally this comes off so you can wash it, I would assume, but you can also do this trick with it and drop it right into your shaker and then go like this. And I don't have any ice in here, so that's why this is called a dry shake. And what that's going to do is mix everything up and get it very, very foamy. And the spring is creating more surface area inside the shaker. And so you see that once you've gone ahead and done enough of a shake, we've got this nice little foam topping. There we are. And so the better you get it shaking, the more foamy you can make that look. And that'll sit right on the top, right on the nose. And this is how you complete Molly's Mocktail.